Hey, welcome to another video from Medical Gear Outfitters. I knew you guys were going to ask this question. Can you compare the two? Knew it was going to come. So, went ahead and filmed the first two videos of the compact Hyfin and the regular Hyfin chest seals. That way I could just open up a little bit of product to show you guys. But here you go. I know you guys are going to ask for it. So, here's the compact Hyfin chest seals and here's the regular Hyfins. I already showed you in the compact Hyfin video. I'll put a link down somewhere. You can see the outside packaging difference there. So now here's the actual chest seal. So compact, regular. So you can see there is a little bit of a difference in size there. Typically not a huge deal for us when we're talking about gunshot wounds, puncture wounds to the chest, entry wounds, exit wounds, but could be something that you want to think about. So hope this video helps, a little comparison video. Thank you guys for watching. We do carry the compact and the regular Hyfins at medicalgearoutfitters.com. I appreciate all support over there. Thank you guys. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.